All right, big tornado on the ground, 1/4 of a mile to our west-northwest in this field out here. It's not hitting a thing. I mean, it's tearing up crops and stuff, but I mean, luckily there's no houses, or I guarantee you that's an F3, at least an F3 right there, David. Good night. That thing is big, and it's not moving very fast, David. It's crawling 2 miles an hour. Slowly moving north. Right there, perfect. Good night. That is amazing. Can you put this back on here? How are we doing on our battery on that? I can do it. Sorry about the jiggling on Facebook. We're just trying to get it situated.